That way, when I'll spray it right until she finally stops moving her feet. Once she stops moving her feet, I'll stop spraying it. Same with the water. So like you spray it in the chest and until they stop moving their feet. And then what you're going to find is that as you spray it in other places and they start moving again, if you go back to the chest, it stops them. So like if you're spraying or hosing her and she panics because you put it on her back for the first time, if you go straight back to her chest, she'll stop moving.
I don't think I was able to ever get her front legs with the hose.
Okay.
Like I stopped there because she was so worked up.
Yeah, it's not warm enough to do that right now, but I can help you guys with that too. Hi. So the reason I rewarded, even though she was still backing up, was because she had considered stopping. I know, that's a big deal, isn't it, baby? I know.
Why do you think she's so scared of all that?
No exposure. She just was never taught. Here. Girl. Here. Good girl. No, I want to talk to you. You're okay. You're okay. Somebody probably tried, and probably, people lose their tempers so easily with horses. Like, you damn horse, probably threw the bottle at her, something like that. Because she's afraid of kind of all of it. So I may only get the stop button installed right now, but next week we'll get her to where she'll let you spray your whole body. But the reason I walk away after we get the result that I'm looking for is to give her a break and to let her kind of digest it, lower her head if she can. She's on a high adrenaline right now. So the lick and chew is good, but I'd like to see her have one of those big sighs that she has. Those big... They won't bite her chest today anyway. It has enough of the smell, thank gosh. Like skin so soft. Oh, okay. So she's starting to rule it out now as being okay. But she's not ready for me to change it all over her body. Then I'm going to kind of Mm-hmm. My goal is to just approach her and not have her back up at all, have her override it right away. She's learning to override it. It's better than what it was. But I want to be able to just approach her and not have that huge reaction. So now I'm not going to be so kid glove with her to see if she can figure it out on her own. So now I'm going to be more like somebody would be with fly spray. Like, hey, I'm coming in here to fly spray you, you know. I'm not going to baby you along every time. Good girl. Good girl. But when my next alarm goes off, I got to get out of here because I have another lesson about a half hour away. But good girl. You're okay. You're okay. Listen. You're okay. You're okay. Yeah, she'll sleep good today.
Oh yeah,
She'll be napping. Good. Perfect place to end. She stopped on her own. The rope was loose. Yeah, I mean, this is like a little bit more than just